Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'll be showing you how I made these butterfly crochet locks from spring twist and kinky. If it's something you would love to see, keep watching this video. Welcome back guys. So if you're new on this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video. So let's get into it. To achieve these locks, I used 1.5 pack of darling kinky and also spring twist hair that I made from normal braiding hair. So I will drop a link on how I made this spring twist from normal attachment braiding hair. I've done this video before, I don't know if you've seen it, but I'm going to drop a link on how I achieved this. So this is what the kinky hair looks like, and when I started making the hair I used it as 101 like this, which was a mistake actually, because I realized later that if I cut it into two and separate it to give me more locks. So at first I started with one. So like I'm doing here, I'll just put my kinky hair on my thread that I wrapped around my chair, and my spring twist, I would unwrap my spring twist. While unwrapping, make sure you're unwrapping from bottom to top so it doesn't tangle. So basically what I'm just going to be doing is wrapping this spring twist loosely on the kinky hair. Yeah, like I'm doing here, wrapping the spring twist on the kinky hair loosely. If you make it tight, to give you that normal locks look, but if you make it loose, you get the butterfly look that you want. So wrapping it all the way down, and that's just it. So while wrapping, you could use your thumb to pick out some hair to give it that butterfly look together with wrapping loosely. So when I got to the bottom, I just took the extra hair, wrapped it backward towards the hair and wrap around, while making sure it's tight enough to hold so it doesn't loosen or give way. And then when you're done, just use your hand just the way I'm doing to like roll on it to give it that finished look. So this is how it looks when you're done, and I'm pretty sure it looks like a butterfly looks. So I repeated what I did in the first one basically for everything, and I ended up doing 48 locks, which is about 4 packs of hair, because in one pack you have 12 locks. So I did 48 locks, wrapping round and wrapping round and wrapping round, and it was a good experience for me. Like, it wasn't hard, it was easy to do, and it wasn't time consuming too. Like I said, I did 48 locks, which is 4 packs of hair, and it saved me a whole lot of money. And I gained the experience because this is actually my first time doing a crochet locks, and I love the way it turned out. And I think you should try it. It's worth it. So this is how it looks, the finished look. When I was done, I sprayed oil sheen on it to give it a shiny look, and voila, I'm done. So if you love this video, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop a new video. See you in my next video. Until then, keep winning. I love you.